I just made this animation you're seeing right now in minutes, just by giving Claude my video script and describing the style I wanted. And just a few months ago, something like this would have cost me hundreds of dollars. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Claude to create professional video animations, edit your videos, find viral content ideas, create Instagram carousels, and more. I'm sharing the exact prompts, the workflows, and how to use Claude properly. Let's get into it. So starting off with video animations, let me show you exactly how to make these just using your video script. So there's a feature inside Claude called Claude Design, and we're going to use it to craft the entire video animation. But first, before we do anything else, we need to set up our brand style guide. And do not skip this step, okay? Because without it, every animation Claude makes is going to look completely different and feel disconnected from your brand. What I did was grab a screenshot of my color palette, my content style, and a few examples of how my videos look. You can also just use screenshots of aesthetics that you like, the colors, the fonts, the overall vibe, then just drop them into a regular Claude chat and say, help me build a brand guide for my YouTube videos based on these. It came back with a full style guide, colors, fonts, visual direction, everything. Now I just download that as PDF and go to Claude Design. Select prototype on the left, enter your project name and hit create. Then just add this prompt and drop in your video script. Attach the PDF that Claude created for you and just hit send. And I also left all of the prompts I'm using in this video in the description down below, by the way. After about 5 minutes, Claude Design created the full animation. And honestly, what came out is pretty impressive. Now, Claude Design is still fairly new, so you cannot export it directly as an MP4 or just like a video file in general. So what you need to do is open it in a new tab or make it full screen, hit play, and simply just screen record it. This adds a couple of minutes of extra work, but honestly, the result is crazy. And that is just a start of what Claude can do for your content. Now, this next feature has completely transformed on how I do my content research. As a content creator, the single most important thing is knowing what is actually performing well in your niche right now. And you cannot just go to Claude and say something like, give me top performing content ideas in the travel niche, because Claude does not have that active data. But what you can do is give Claude a social media brain, and you can set this up in just a few minutes using a tool called Verlo. It basically scans the entire social media landscape and pulls real data from content that is actually performing right now. We're talking over 3 million short form videos tracked across TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts in real time. Here's how to set it up. Log into Verlo. You can do it by using the first link in the description. Go to API keys and generate a new key. Then open Claude, go to settings, then connectors, and click add custom connector. Copy the URL from Verlo, paste it in, hit connect, then paste your API key and authorize. And that's literally it. And just like that, Claude now has a social media brain. So let me show you what it actually looks like in practice. All I do is write a prompt like this. Using Verlo, find me the top 10 best performing content ideas in the travel niche from the past 60 days. For each one, give me the hook, the main angle, and why it is performing well. And look what comes back. You get the actual view counts, the hook, the angle, and Verlo breaks down exactly why each piece of content performed the way it did. So once you have Verlo API connected inside Claude, you just ask what is trending in your niche and it gives it to you instantly. You can sign up and start using Verlo API right away. You just need to top up your Verlo balance when you log in, and you can do that starting from as low as $5. So if you want to try out Verlo yourself, I will leave the top link in the description. Okay, so carousels are some of the highest performing content formats on Instagram right now. And the workflow I'm about to show you allows you to create professional looking carousels from a simple prompt. So now that we have our trending content ideas from Verlo, let me show you how to turn it into a full Instagram carousel using Claude Design. Simply go back to Claude Design and select prototype again. Give it a name and hit create. Now here is the prompt I'm going to use. I'm simply going to insert the idea we got from Verlo into these brackets right here and hit send. And here's the actual carousel that Claude created. Now, since this is an image file, you can just simply download it directly from Claude Design. What you need to do is just ask Claude to turn this into PNG files, and it will do it for you in a couple of minutes. And then you just save it to your computer. Also, if you're going to be creating Instagram carousels, I'm just going to give you one quick tip. Always make sure you're adding audio when you're posting your carousels. So when you're posting them, they get pushed out into the reels, and that way you're going to get much more reach instead of posting them without using any audio at all. Now, if you sell anything anything online, a digital product, templates, software, this one is going to save you a lot of time and money, because now you can create professional product video ads like this from a simple prompt in Claude Design. So first, go to Claude Design and select prototype. Give it a name. I will call mine a creator brain ad. This is my Notion template, a simple digital product that I have. Now, here's where most people go wrong. They just give surface level product description and hope that Claude, figures it out and creates something good for them. But that way, your video ad is not going to look that great. So here's what you need to do. You need to give Claude as much context as possible. So here's the exact prompt I'm using, which includes the product name and what it does, the key features, the price point, the target audience, the tone and vibe, and then I also upload a full screenshot of my product landing page so Claude could match the visual style. And then I just let it run. And here's what it came back with: a fully animated product demo video. Clean, dark aesthetic, smooth transitions, feature highlights, everything looks crazy good. Now to export it, we do the same thing I showed you before. Make it full screen or just open it in a new tab, hit play and screen record it. This takes an extra few minutes, but honestly, for what you just created, that is nothing. And this works for any kind of digital product: templates, SaaS tools, courses, communities, you name it. Something like this would cost you hundreds to thousands of dollars to get made professionally. Claude just did it in like 5 minutes. And again, all of the prompts I'm using are down in the description below. All right, this next feature inside Claude completely changes how you edit videos. And I have not seen many creators in this space talk about it. It is inside Claude Cowork, which you can access through Claude's desktop app. And what it does, it looks at your actual video footage, understands what is happening visually inside it, and makes editing decisions based on what it sees. Not based on what was said in the video, but what is actually happening on the screen. So here's how it works. You open Claude Cowork, point it to the folder where your video footage is stored, and then just tell it what you want. For example, I said, go through this footage and collect only the moments where I'm talking directly to camera, then compile them into a single clip. Now, what I found interesting is that Claude actually asked me a couple of clarifying questions before it started. It wanted to know how tight the cuts should be around each direct-to-camera moment and what exactly counts as talking directly to camera for my specific footage, which tells you that this thing is actually thinking about what you're asking rather than just blindly cutting, right? And once I answered, it went through the entire footage, found exactly those moments, and saved the final video clip directly in the same folder. The amount of time this saves you is crazy. If you ever come back from a filming session with an hour of raw footage and had to manually scrub through all of it just to find the usable takes, that process is now something Claude can handle for you in minutes. And this goes way beyond just helping you to find direct-to-camera moments. You can just drop an entire podcast or, interview or any long video that you did and ask Claude to cut out all of the silence moments automatically. And anyone who's editing long form content understands how time-saving this really is. Okay, this one is something I wish someone had told me earlier. If you are on Claude Pro Plan, you have probably hit the usage limit at some point and just had to sit there and wait. So here's how to stop burning through your limits so fast. Claude has two models, Opus and Sonnet. Most people just leave it on Opus and wonder why they hit the limit within a few hours. So what you can do is you can use Sonnet for everyday stuff, quick prompts, captions, short edits. It is generally just as good for most tasks and uses way less of your limit. Keep Opus for when you actually need it. Complex scripts, detailed creative work, anything where quality really matters. Another thing I personally do is avoid letting conversation threads get too long. When a chat gets too long, I just copy the whole thing and paste it in with a note saying, here is the full context from my previous conversation. Also, make sure to utilize Claude projects. You set up your brand info, your audience, your style once, and every chat inside that project already knows all of it from the first message. These small tricks will save you a ton of usage and allow you to get way more out of Claude every single day. Honestly, it's crazy what you can already do with Claude, and I'm really excited to see what comes next. If you want to see a more in-depth video on how I use Claude to create Instagram carousels for multiple different niches, you can watch this video right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.